About this one, what type of algae is this? Common name.
Green?
What color is this one?
I'm colorblind.
That's purple. It's pink. Okay, fuchsia. Fuchsia is pink. And so this is coral and red algae. One of the ones that were over, the first one over there on the sheet. We decided we didn't even know the genus of it because there were 2 or 3 different genera on the sheet. So this coral and red algae. Well, look at this. This one wasn't out here, but this is ectocarpus. That's what it looks like when it grows. This little dark fuzz. What are these? What'd you say?
I just read their part.
Oh. You said semicells, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got semicells. So which one has semicells? I think so. No, not that one. Desmids. Okay, so you got a semicell here, a semicell there, isthmus going across, a sinus in there. Nucleus is right there. We'll see a bigger one, but it's pretty dark, so I don't think you can see the structure. And what phylum does it belong to? Red, brown, or green?
Green.
Green. Okay, Chlorophyta. Genus of this one? Skinny desmids. That's spelled with a C, S-C-E-N-N-E. Modal or non-modal? Non-modal. What genus? How about common name?
Slimo.
No.
Crap.
Bright green. Supposed to be bright green. This is Hydrodictyon water net. And these are kind of less slime mold. These are cenocytic cells here, so they got a lot of nuclei. They are still these cell walls. The whole thing's not cenocytic. Chlorophyta again. Now, how about this one? Look at this one right here. Spirogyrus. Okay. And Spirogyra is what kind? Red, green, or brown? Green, so Chlorophyta. And what are these things called? No, those are zygotes. Renuncia. So here's that one cell enclosed. So this is a chloroplast. That's a pyrenoid. That's a pyrenoid. That's a pyrenoid. These are conjugation tubes. So when it does reproduction on the entire cytoplasm here, it migrates to here and they fuse. So this is a zygote, 2-end part. And it'll go through meiosis and produce unicellular spores, which will then start new filaments. Okay, this is the desmid up close and personal, so you can see the nucleus is right there, the sinus, the semicell. Oh, the isthmus. What phylum is this?
Ascomycota.
Ascomycota. And so what is this whole tube called?
Ascus.
Right, what are these? These? Ascospores. How many should there be?
8.
Okay. What's this thing right here?
Paragenesis.
Yeah, paramesis. And this whole thing is a piece of a what?
Ascus.
No?
Ascocarp. Ascocarp.
Ascocarp.
Ascocarp. Ascocarp. Okay, what's the genetic condition of these spores? 1N, N plus N, or 2N?
1N.
1N. Okay. What about these hypha down here? What about? N plus N. Remember in the life, you guys remember what the life cycle is? I know some of you do, but you put it on the test. But you got that whole ascocarp structure is made out of N plus N. And then they fuse in that last little crook mother cell, which would be right down here, and then that crook mother cell goes to mitosis, meiosis, and produces these. What organism are we looking at? Wheat rust. And what phylum is it in? Mycota. And what class? Teleomycetes. Okay. And what is this structure? What phase are we looking at? What phase of the life cycle are we looking at? Are these what? Tilia. Yeah. So these are either say tilia or these are tiliospores. And are they how are they genetically? 1N, 2N, and plus N.
1N?
Not 1N. 2N. So they are the zygotes. Phylum? Mycota. Class? Mycetes. Subclass? The H1, yeah, Hymenomycetes. So what's this part right here called? Nope. The universal veil would be around the whole thing. But just this top part. And the cap or pallius. What are these things? What's this thing? Stipe. What's this little ring-like structure? Okay. Looking at the hypha in here, what are they like genetically? How many? No? N plus N. So you got to remember the life cycle is where you got positive hypha down here and a negative hypha or negative mycelium. They fuse into that dikaryotic mycelium, which makes the mushroom. And right at the bottom of the gills, where the basidia are, that's where the zygote is formed, and then it goes to meiosis. So all N plus N except for right along the edge of that, where it might be 2N, but only for a second. Just another mushroom. I just thought it was pretty interesting. What phylum is this? What is this thing up here? This is a leaf. In fact, it's a potato leaf. So this is Phytophthora. It's an Mycota. You don't need to know the genus, but Mycota. And so this is a sporangiophore, sporangia. Some of these hypha go in here, so they're in between the cells, so what do you call them? Intracellular. If they go into a cell and make it digest it, kind of like this, what would you call it then?
Ormagonia?
Almost. Haustoria. That's upside down. But, what's this stuff? Lichen. And what kind? What gross form? Frustose, foliose, fruticose. Is it like crust, like a sheet, or like branches? I guess it kind of, I would have said crustose, but maybe it's a little bit iffy on that. We'll see a better crustose a little bit, and a better foliose too. What's this? This is another water mold. Mycota. This is saprolegium. Okay. So what's this thing right here?
An antheridium.
Antheridium. So what's this?
An spore. No.
No, Ogonia.
Ogonium.
And then inside of it are spores. Okay. And then this, what is the cellular nature of this hypha?
It's stenocytic.
Stenocytic. Exactly. Oh. is, are the nuclei 1N, 2N, or N plus N?
They're one and one.
I think there's 2N on this one because it goes to meiosis of 18. Okay. So they're definitely not N plus N, no doubt about that. That's upside down too. I think. Maybe not. That's weird looking picture. Phylum, Mycota, class, Mycetes, subclass, same as before, Mycetes. So both the gill and fork mushrooms are in that same subclass. Okay, what organism are we looking at now? This thing?
Oh, that.
Heliomite, yeah, this is wheat rust again. But this is this is upside down. So what stage are we looking at here? No, this is not the wheat, this is on the barter.
Last one.
The second one, actually. This is Asia, Asiospores. I said it to be anatomically correct. There you go, now it's right side up. How about these?
Iridium.
Iridium? Yep. Iridinia, either way. 1N, 2N, or N plus N? N plus N is right. How about this statement? There's only one left.
Talia.
No, we already did that one.
Pycnia.
Pycnia. So on the top of the leaf. Is it 1N, N plus N, or 2N? Nope. Not 2N. 1N. Yeah. So this is sort of like the starting point. Spores come off of the Basidium on the cilia spore, land on this, grow these, and then these. Some of these spores fuse to these filaments on a different one, become N plus N, go through the leaf to the acea coming out the bottom. What are those? Saw them already. Cilia again. See the nice septum in there?